Yes, children, today we'll discuss about trigonometric identities using algebraic identities, which we studied in ninth class. Some of the famous identities I will say once. A plus B whole square, children. A square plus B square plus 2ab. A minus B whole square, children. A square plus B square minus 2ab. Okay. A plus B whole cube, children. A cube plus B cube plus 3ab into A plus B. Okay. Anything they can ask, children. Anything they can ask. One second. A minus B whole cube, children. A cube minus B cube minus 3ab into A minus B. Right? A cube plus B cube. A plus B into A square plus AB plus B square. A cube minus B cube, children. A minus B into A square plus A. Children, here minus, children. I'm sorry, in plus cell, here minus will come. Here in minus, all plus will come, children. AB plus B square. These are the A square minus B square is, children, A plus B into A minus B. Okay, children. So sometimes A square plus B square, children, we can also write it as A plus B whole square minus 2ab. If I write like this, don't get confused. A square plus B square, we can write A plus B whole square minus 2ab also. A square plus B square, we can write as A square plus B square, A plus B whole square minus 2ab. A square plus B square, A plus B whole square minus 2ab. Like this also. This I am bringing here. Like this also we can write. Okay, children, let's start. Okay. So slowly I'll be saying, children, one by one sum. Please listen. Later you can copy, seeing the video and practice the sums. Children, each sum you practice 3 times and send me as a homework. First one, children, ready? Cos to the power of 4a minus cos square a. We have to prove it as sine 4a minus sine square. Any question, whenever it comes like this, children, you have to keep one thing in mind, that you have to remove all the cos and you have to put it to sine transform. Okay, from this both, I will take cos square as common. Cos square as common if I take cos square a minus 1. Why, children? Cos square into cos square, cos 4. Cos square into cos square. Can anyone say what is cos square, children?
1 minus sine square.
Cos square is 1 minus sine square. Okay, cos square is 1 minus sine square. Okay, again, cos square is 1 minus sine square. Why I am writing? Because everything is in sine. I am removing all causes and I am putting all sines. Okay, children, cos square is 1 minus sine square. This cos square also 1 minus sine square. Plus 1 minus 1 gone. So 1 minus sine square a into minus sine square a. Please, all of you should listen, children. Sine square a into minus sine square a is how much, children? Sine 4a. This into this is how much? Minus sine square a. Hence, that's it. By seeing the question, you should understand that we should remove cos and we should put sine using our identity. That's all. Okay, children, like that sheet. One more sum. One more sum. One more sum. Second sum. Second one, children. Cot 4a minus 1, we have to prove it as cosecant 4a minus 2 cosecant square. Okay, children. So this is what we can write, children. Cot 4a is there. Cot is in the form of cosecant. Everything we have to convert. Cots we have to convert it to cosecant, children. Okay, let's see here, children. Cot to the power of 4a is there, no? Minus 1 is there. So slowly we will show. Now, this is what I can do is I'll write this as whole square, 1 square. 1 square is 1 only, no change. 2 to the power. This is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square?
A plus
A
B
plus b into a minus b.
A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. But what is cot square plus 1? Cosecant square.
Cosecant square.
Because cosecant square is 1 plus cot square. Cosecant square is 1 plus cot square. Cosecant square is 1 plus cot square. And what is cot square? What is cot square, children? See, cosecant square is 1 plus cot square, no, children? So
cosecant square.
cot square I can write as cosecant square minus 1. What is cot square? Cosecant square a minus 1. Already minus 1 is there. Cot square I wrote as cosecant square minus 1. This is the identity. So cot square is equal to cosecant square minus 1. Okay, children? So what is there, children? So cosecant square A into cosecant square A. Minus 1 is minus 2. This into this is how much, children? Cosecant 4A minus this into this 2 cosecant square A over. So all cots have to convert into cosecant. That was my intention. So I converted it. Okay, children? Slowly, if you do, you'll understand, children. Very, very interesting subject. This all. Third subject. Sine 4a plus cos to the power of 4a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a cos area. Okay, children? This I can write as sine square a whole square. This I can write as cos square a whole square. This is in the form of a square plus b square. Can anyone say what is the form of a square plus b square?
A plus B into
A
A
plus B whole
minus B.
square into A plus B whole square minus 2AB.
Very good. Not a square minus b square. I'm asking a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Who is a here? Sine square. Who is b here? Cos square. Whole square 2 into sine square cos square. Sine square plus cos square. Sine square plus cos square.
1.
1.
1. 1 square is 1. So 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square a, hence 2. That's it. So children, you should remember this identity. What is this identity? I was telling you in the starting of the lesson. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2b. A square plus b square. Not a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2b. Very easy. Okay. If you practice 3 times, 4 times, you will also not forget, children. Fourth sum. Sine to the power of 4a minus cos to the power of 4a. I have shown you 3 proofs, children. Check in your link. 3 proofs you have to do, children. Let's start, children. So this we can write as sine square a whole square minus cos square a whole square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. What is that, children? A plus b into a minus b. Who is a plus b? Anyone?
Sine square A.
Plus cos square a. And who is a minus b?
Sine square A minus cos square A.
A.
And this is 1. 1 into this is answer is sine square a minus cos square a. This is first proof. From the first proof, he deviated once to full sine, once to full cos, children. When he wants full sine, children, what we'll do means we'll convert or we'll remove all cos. And if we want all causes, we'll remove all sines. Okay. So 1 second, children. 1 second. Be on the line. I will come. Please mute your audios. Mute your audios. I will come. 1 second. Mute your audios. So children, so under this proof, you see 2 more proofs I have given, children. Once only sine square is there, means remove cos square. Once only cos square is there, means remove sine square. Simple. Okay, children. 2 proofs I will show like this, children. Once only sine square is there, means remove cos square. Can anyone say how to remove cos square? And how to remove cos square? Cos square can be written as
1 minus sine.
1 minus sine.
sine square. Very good. Once I want to remove sine square. Sine square I can write it as
1 minus
1 minus cos square A.
minus cos square. Okay, children, that's it over. Sine square a minus 1 plus sine square a. Sine square a plus sine square a is sine square. 2
Sine square.
sine square a minus 1. And here 1 minus cos square a is minus 2 cos square a. This is 1 minus 2 cos square a. So first proof, second proof, third proof. This is the answer. If you want only sine, remove cos. If you want to remove only cos, remove sine. How to remove sine and cos? Using identities. Sine square is 1 minus cos square. Sine square is 1 minus cos square. Cos square is 1 minus sine square. Cos square is 1 minus sine square. Anything, children, you can do anything provided you know at what time which identity we have to use. That's it. Okay, hope you are enjoying this house. Fifth sum. I think I am going very slowly. Okay, so sine to the power of 6 a plus cos to the power of 6 a is equal to 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. Sine above 6a, I can write as sine square a whole cube cos square a whole cube. Can anyone say this is in which form?
A cube plus B cube.
A cube plus B cube formula, anyone? A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Ninth class we have studied polynomial, second lesson. Do you remember, children? We did so many sums basing on this. Who is A here? Sine square A. Who is B here? Cos square A. Who is A here? Sine square A whole square. Who is B here? Cos square A whole square minus what is AB? Sine square A cos square A. Okay, children? So sine square A plus cos square is how much, children? 1. 1 into this one. Sine for children, this will write. This now can anyone say, children? Okay, this is 1 anyway. Can this is in the form of A square plus B square, children? Can anyone say what is the formula for A square plus B square?
A plus B whole square minus 2AB.
Very good. A square plus B square. Starting off the lesson only I told. A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Okay, children? Wherever you see A square plus B square, use this formula. This is 1, children. Don't worry about that later. Don't think, sir, why he is not writing. It's 1. Sine square plus cos square is 1. Now, what is A, children? Again, sine square. What is B, children? Cos square whole square minus 2 into
Sine square into cos square.
Minus this again will come. Sine square cos square. This is again how much?
1.
1. Minus 2 minus 1 is how much? Minus 2 minus 1.
Minus
Minus
3.
3.
1 minus 3 sine square A cos square A, hence proved. That's it, children. Very interesting sums. I told you, identities are very beautiful sums. Thing provided you know how to apply the identities. Please mute your audios. Mute your audios. Okay, children. Next one. Sixth sum. All of you check sixth sum, children. Sixth sum is secant for A minus secant square A. He is entirely converting into tan 4A plus tan square A. What is our program? Means what is our program? How should we do? We have to remove secant. So in this and in this, who is common? Secant square A is common. Secant square A minus 1, because this into this is secant 4. This into 1 is secant square. What is secant square, anyone?
1 minus tan. 1 plus tan.
1 plus tan,
Tan square A.
What is secant square, anyone?
1 plus tan square A.
Plus 1 minus 1, cancel. Tan square 1 into 1 is tan square A plus tan square into tan square? Tan
2 tan
4 A. Hey, who said 2 tan square, tan 4? Hence proved over. So here our program was we have to remove secant. So that's it. Okay, children. Now next one, secant 4. Good. Next one. Next identity is very beautiful identity. Seventh sum. I hope you are understanding, children. Am I going slow or very fast? Yatin, are you comfortable, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you are not comfortable, please tell me. No problem. 3 cot square theta cosecant square theta plus 1. Children, cosecant 6 can be written as cosecant square theta whole cube. Now, can anyone say what is cosecant square theta?
1 plus cot square theta.
Very good, very good. 1 plus cot square theta. This is in the form of?
A plus B whole
A plus
cube.
B whole.
What is A plus B whole cube, children? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Now substitute, children, over. This is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. Substitute in this formula, you will get the answer. Very, very beautiful. I don't know who discovered all the invented all the sums. Very, very great. So A is 1 children, 1 cube. B is what children? Cot square theta whole cube plus 3 into 1 into cot square into 1 plus cot square. So 1 plus cot square whole cube, cot 6 theta, 3 cot square, 1 plus cot square.
Cosecant square.
Hence proved. Over. Cot square cube is cot. 3 cot square. 1 plus cot square is cosecant square. 3 cot square cosecant square. Over children. Next sum also same. Anyone wants to tell the sum how to do? Anyone wants to tell? Same sum. Ditto. But secant is there.
Sir.
Who will tell? Who will tell? Yes, who will tell?
So Sahiti can answer.
Sahiti. Always Sahiti only will tell. Okay. Okay. Fine. Secant 6 theta is equal to, we have to prove it as tan 6 theta plus 3 tan square secant square plus 1. Yes, see, Sai, tell.
Sir, secant 6 we can write as secant square theta whole cube.
Okay.
So secant square we can also write as 1 plus tan square theta whole cube.
Okay.
It is in the form of a plus b whole cube.
Okay.
So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b.
Substitute.
So a cube is 1 cube. B cube is cot square whole cube, cot square theta tan, and 3 into tan square, 1 into tan square into 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into tan plus 1 plus tan square.
1 plus tan square is secant square. Hence proof. 1 plus tan square is secant square. Hence proof. 1 plus tan square is secant square. Hence proof. That's it, children. I told you very, very beautiful sums there. 9th sum, children. Chalo, go to 9th sum, children. Children, who will tell 9th sum? Secant 4 theta. Okay, secant 4a into 1 minus sine 4a minus 2 tan square a is equal to 1. Okay, children, so everything is 1. Children, let's do. Yeah, children, secant, children, secant 4 into 1. What is secant 4 into 1?
Secant 4.
Secant 4a minus, children, secant means 1 by cos 4. Okay, okay, okay. Secant 4 into sine 4 is secant 4a sine 4a minus 2 tan square. This is there like this. This is there like this. So now let's see, children. Secant 4a don't do anything, children. Secant 4a means 1 by cos 4a because secant is 1 by cos into sine 4a minus 2 tan square a. Okay, secant 4a sine by cos. Anyone? Sine by cos?
Tan.
Tan. So tan,
Tan 4a.
Tan 4a minus 2 tan square a. Okay, children. This you see, children. This you see. Okay, all of you. This I can write as secant square a whole square minus tan square a whole square minus 2 tan square a, children. Okay, this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is what, children? A plus b into a.
2a minus
A plus b into, check, children, a plus b into a minus b. Who is a minus b? Secant square a minus tan square a. And this as it is, we will write 2 tan square a. Secant square minus tan square?
1.
1. Secant square minus tan square is how much, children? 1. Okay. So next step here I am writing, children. Okay, next step I am writing. Next step I am writing. Yeah. So this is 1, children. Forget about this. Now what is left over? Secant square a plus tan square a. Secant square a plus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. Okay. Secant square a. Tan square minus 2 tan square.
Minus tan square.
Secant square minus tan square.
1.
Hence.
Proved.
That's over, children. Sum is over. See how beautiful sums there. I don't know whether you're enjoying or not, but I so literally enjoying like anything, children. Just by explaining also I'm enjoying. Okay, children, next sum. Next sum, 10th sum, children. Each sum 3 times, 4 times. You have to practice, children. If not, you can't do in exam. Yes. Because of my experience, I can do, but for you, will get confusion, children. 2 sine. 1 second. 2. I think it's not. 2. 1 second, children. What is it? Sine 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus 3 sine 4 theta plus, actually power 4, children. I'm lazy to say power, that's why I'm not saying. Don't say in front of your maths teacher. They'll scold who is teaching you maths, they'll scold me. I'm lazy, that's why I'm not saying tan sine to the power of 6. I'm just saying sine 6 theta. You should not select it. Okay? Now this, children, this we will write it as
Sine square whole
cube.
cube.
Plus this, what we can write?
Cos square whole cube.
Whole cube. Very good, children. Sine 4.
Sine square whole square.
Very
Whole
good.
square.
This what we'll write.
Tan square whole square.
Very good. Very good. Children, this is in the form of
A cube plus B cube.
what is the formula?
A plus B
A plus B into A square
plus B
minus AB plus B square.
And this is the form of
B square.
A square plus B square formula.
A square plus B square. B whole square minus
Okay, children, 2 into A is how much, children?
Sine
square theta. What is B, children?
Cos square theta.
A square means what, children? A square.
Sine 4 theta.
Sine square whole square. What is cos square, children?
Cos square
Cos
whole
square
square.
whole square minus AB means sine square cos square. Minus, children, this one again, 3 into, children, this is A square plus B square means A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square minus 2
sine
AB. Okay, children? So, listen, 2 into, this is 1, children, this is 1, this is 1. Children, this is in the form of A square plus B square. A square plus B square is what? No boys are telling, boys are not involving. Happy is 80. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square minus 2 sine square cos square. Already minus sine square cos square is there. Minus 3 into, this is 1, children. 1 minus 2 sine square cos square. Okay. So children, slowly I'm saying this is 1. Forget about that. A square plus B square I wrote as A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A square plus B square I wrote as A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A square plus B square I wrote as A plus B whole square minus 2AB. This as it is I wrote. This is what, children, again? Sine square plus cos square. Anyone?
1
1. This is 1 minus 2 minus 1.
minus 3 sine
1.
Minus 3 sine square cos square minus 3 1 minus 2 sine square cos square. Chalo, children, last step. 2 ones are 2.
2.
2 threes are
Minus 6 sine square cos square.
3 ones are 3. Minus into minus
Plus
6 sine square cos square.
cos square.
This gone. What is left out? 2 minus
1.
3.
Minus
2
1.
minus 3 is minus 1. Hence 2. That's it, children. See how nice sums are. A square plus B square, A plus B whole square. Here many students will get confusion. A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Here also I use the same things. A square plus B square, A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Same thing, again and again, again and again. Same identities I'm using. So trigonometric identities using algebraic identities. Please have a sums. Okay, children. I hope you enjoyed the sums, children. Let's go to 11th sum. Children, 11th sum. Children. Very nice sums, children. Please, I think this is going to be the last batch to read all these things. From next batch onwards, what exams are there, what exams are not there, also don't know, children. So happily, nicely study. Your batch is going to be nice batch. Later onwards, what happens to the education system only we don't know. Leave it, children. That's not our cup of tea. So children, sine 4 theta sine square theta whole square minus
Cos square theta
whole square
Theta whole square.
by
sine
sine square theta minus cos square theta.
This is in the form of a square minus
Minus B
minus B
square
square.
theta.
A plus
a
B
plus
plus
b
B
into
Minus B square.
A
A
minus
square
B.
a
Sine square
square
theta minus
minus
cos
cos
square
square
theta.
theta.
by
Sine square
Sine
theta
square theta minus
minus cos square theta.
cancel.
what is that?
1.
Sine square theta plus cos square theta is there. What is this?
1.
1.
Over. Okay, children, this is our next one. Children, next one, 12th sum. 12th sum, same like 10th sum only, children. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Can you see, children, 12th sum once? Children, all of you see 12th sum? 2 minus 3, we got minus 1 in 10th sum. Minus 1 and plus 1 is 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No need to do again, no, children?
No need, sir.
12th sum
No
is
need, sir.
same like 10th sum only, children. Please, everyone should involve, children. Please, Nana, everyone should involve. 13th sum, please see here. 13th sum. 13th sum will be very nice. Sine to the power of 6 theta, cos to the power of 6 theta, plus 3 sine square theta, cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, children? Now listen, children. Sine 6 theta, I will write it as sine
Sine
square
square
theta.
whole cube.
This I will write as
Cos square theta
square
whole cube.
3 sine square theta,
Cos square theta.
cube. Children, this is in the form of a cube
Q plus B cube.
plus 3ab into a plus b. Where is a plus b? No a plus b. How? How? A plus b is not there. Who will say? I will see. I will see. Who will say a plus b? How to write a plus b? I will see. A plus b is not there.
Sir,
How to?
Divide with A plus B.
Huh? A plus b is not there.
Sir,
How
we
to
have to
write?
add A plus divide with A plus B. Multiply and divide with A plus B.
No. What you will do with division? Anyone? I will see who will tell this one. A plus b is not there. To get a plus b, what we have to do? I will see who will tell this. Boys or girls are, we have to check. A plus b is not there. A cube is there. B cube is there.
Sir,
three-
A plus B is nothing but sine square plus cos square that equal to 1.
So
We can directly substitute 1 in
yeah,
place of A
fantastic.
plus B.
Very good, Pranati. Children, if nothing is there, means it is one only, no, children, if nothing is there. If nothing is there, means into one only, no. So what Pranati is saying, instead of one, you put it as sine square plus cos square. She is saying. Pranati, do you mean same?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So children, actually everything into one. One we can write as sine square plus cos square is one. No problem with it. So this is in the form of that. So this is nothing but a plus b whole cube. Who is a, children, here?
Sine square theta.
Who is b here, children?
Cos square.
Whole cube. Sine square plus cos square?
1 whole cube.
One.
1 cube is 1.
One.
Hence proved. Did you enjoy this sum, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very beautiful sum, children. Nothing is there means 1. 1 is sine square plus cos square. Nothing is there means 1. 1 is sine square plus cos square. Simple, children. Simple logic. Basic common sense. Chalo, children. 14th sum. 14th sum. I hope you enjoy this sum. Okay, children. So 14th sum is saying as sine to the power of 8 theta minus cos to the power of 8 theta. We have to prove it as sine square minus cos square into 1 minus 2 sine square cos square. Okay, children. This I will write as sine 4 whole square cos 4 whole square. This is in the form of a square minus b
B
square,
square.
which is nothing but a plus b into.
A minus B.
A minus B.
What is a
Sine-
plus b? Sine
Sine
4
4
plus
Four. Cos 4.
cos 4. What is a minus b?
Sine 4 theta minus cos 4 theta.
Cos 4 theta. Very good, children. Okay. This we will write as sine square theta
Whole square.
Cos square theta
Whole square.
And this we will write as same.
Sine square theta whole square. Cos square theta whole square.
Very good. Children, this is in the form of anyone?
A
A
square
square plus B square.
What is a square plus b square?
A plus
Plus
B
B
whole
into
square minus
minus
2AB.
2AB.
This is the form of
Square.
A square
minus
minus B
B
square.
square.
A
What
plus
is
B
this?
into
B
A minus
plus B.
B.
a plus b into
A minus B.
Very good, children. Very good. Those are telling you, really, I appreciate you. Okay, children. So, children, what is a plus b? Sine square plus cos square. Sine square plus cos square whole square minus 2 into sine square cos square. Okay, what is a plus b here?
Sine square.
plus cos square. What is a minus b here? Sine
Sine square minus cos square.
What is this?
1.
1. 1 minus, okay, you're not able to see, I think. I will write here, children. I will write here. 1, this is 1. Minus 2 sine square cos square. This is also 1, children. This is also 1. And that into sine square minus cos square. Hence prove, that's all. That's only they asked indirectly. That's only they asked. Over. We have completed the sum. Okay, children, last sum, children. Very, 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 very interesting sum, children. 15 sum. No one, children, all of you mute your audios. I will be discussing, children. I will discuss. Just okay, because if you come in the middle, other students won't understand. Listen, all of you mute your audios and listen. Children, they said that cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. They said. If that is the thing, they asked to prove sine 12 plus 3, sine 10 plus 3, sine 8 plus sine 6 plus 2, sine 4 plus 2 sine square minus 2 is equal to 1. They asked to prove. Now what I will do is this I will put here, children. Cos theta I can write as 1 minus cos square. This I can write as cos theta is equal to sine square theta, because 1 minus cos square is sine square. Squaring on both sides, children, squaring on both sides, you can write cos square theta is equal to sine 4 theta. If you want, you can write cos as sine square. If you want, you can write as cos square as sine 4. If you want, you can write cos 4 as sine 8 theta. So if you want, squaring on both sides. This is we got. Squaring on both sides, we got. Squaring on both sides, this. Whenever, whatever I want, I will use. You can see, just you keep seeing here. First one, children, sine 12. Then 3 sine 10 plus 3 sine 8 plus sine 6. Till here only I will say, children. After that, 2 sine 4, 2 sine square is there. I will say later, children. Okay. Okay, I will say along with that only, not you get that. 2 sine 4, 2 sine square minus 2. Simple, this I will complete off, children. Children, sine 4 we can write as cos square.
Cos.
So 2 cos square, 2 sine square minus 2. Let me complete up this part, then I will come to this part. So 2 if I take common, cos square plus sine square minus 2. This is 2 minus 2. This gone. So this entire thing has gone, children. It's not there only. Forget about that. Now let's come here, children. Okay, children. Now let's come here. Now if you come there, now see here. Sine 12, children, I will write it as sine 6 theta whole square, no, sine 4 theta whole cube. This I will write it as sine square theta whole cube. Okay, children? Sine 4, can I write as cos square, children? Sine 4? Yes. Cos square theta whole cube. Middle one also I will show you, children. And sine square theta whole cube. Okay, children? Now, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. What, sir? How you showing this? Now you see. I will show. 3 into what is b, children? Sine square. If sine square has gone, what is left over? Sine 8 plus 3 into ab square. What is a, children? Cos square. And what is b square, children? What is b square? Sine 4. Okay, children? Try to understand. Children, 3, please see here, children. Sine square. Okay, so 1 second, children. I don't want to confuse you. I'll just easy method I will say, children. Don't want to confuse you. But here I think I convince you. Sine 4 whole cube. Sine 4 I wrote as cos square. Cos square whole cube. This is a cube. I'm writing. This is b cube. A cube. This will be in the form of compulsory 3a square b plus 3ab square. Please check, children. Please check. Okay, children. 3a square. Who is a, children? Sine. Who is a square, children? Sorry.
Cos.
Cos square. Who is a square, children? Cos square whole square. B. Who is b, children? Sine square.
Sine square.
In the same way, 3 A is who, children? Cos square. And who is B square, children? Sin square whole square, that is sin 4. Like this it is there, children. So this only 3 cos square, children. Cos square is sin 4, children. See, children, cos square is sin 4. Sin 4 whole square is sin 8. Sin 8 sin square is sin 10, he wrote to confuse us. Again I'm telling, A square I wrote it as cos square whole square and B. Cos square is sin 4, children. Okay, I write sin 4 whole square sin square. Sin 4 whole square is sin 8, children. Sin 8 sin 2 is sin 10, like that. And this one you see. 3 cos square is what, children? Sin 4. Okay, children. Yeah. Cos square is what, children? Sin 4. Cos square is what, children? Sin 4. Sin 4 is sin 8. Cos 4 is sin 4. Sin 4 is sin 8. Okay, children. And this whole thing, children, this is nothing but A plus B whole cube. Who is A, children, here? Cos square. Who is B here, children? Sin square whole cube. And this is nothing but 1. 1 cube is 1. I know definitely you got confusion here, children. I know definitely you got confusion. I will say slowly again, children. Those who did not understand, listen. This too, I hope you understood. This is very easy. This I will explain one time again, children, for you. Slowly I will explain. Please don't get confused, children. Listen, I'll explain big here, right? Sin 12 plus 3 sin 10 plus 3 sin 8 plus cos sin 6. This is sin 4 whole 3. This is sin square whole 3. Sin 4 is cos square. Cos square whole 3. Sin square is sin square only we put. Okay, sin square whole 3. This is A cube and this is B cube. Okay, A is cos square, B is sin square. Now, first one I am showing this one, children. Don't get confused. 3A square, B should be here. 3, who is A, children? Cos square whole square. Who is B, children? Sin square. Okay, so 3 cos 4 sin square. Okay, children. What is cos 4 sin 8? What is cos 4 sin 8? Sin 8 sin 2 is sin 10. Okay, 3. 3 cos 4 is what? Sin 8. Sin 8 sin square is sin 10. Over, children. This is that you have to show. Now this I am showing, children. 3ab square, children. 3a is what? Cos square. B is what? Sin square whole square. Okay, children. But everything should be in the form of sin square only. Sin no, children. That's why cos square I will write as sin 4. And this is already sin 4. Sin 4 is sin 8. Oh, children. That's it. That's why I wrote like this, children. You should not get confusion. So finally I wrote this is as a plus b whole cube. Who is a, children, here? Cos square. Who is b, children? Sin square whole cube. A plus b whole cube. That is 1 cube. That is 1. This is what we are going to do, children. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Open the link and do all the sums again and again 3-4 times. Then you'll understand. Thank you.